In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make completed tasks disappear in Asana. If your project lists are getting cluttered with done work, setting up a simple automation will keep things clean without deleting anything important. We'll sign in, open your project, and create a rule that automatically removes a task from the project the moment it's marked complete. The task will still exist in Asana and remain searchable. It just won't live in that specific project anymore. Start by signing in to Asana. On the login page, choose Continue with Google and select your Google account. If you use a different sign-in method, go ahead and log in the usual way. Once you're in, head to the project where you want completed tasks to disappear. From the project view, look to the top right for the Customize button. This opens your project's configuration panel. Inside Customize, switch to the Rules section. Click Add, then choose Create Custom Rule. This opens the rule builder where we'll define a trigger and an action. For the trigger, click the When field and select task or all subtasks completion status is changed. This tells Asana to watch for a change in completion. Next, open the options for that trigger and set it to status is complete. With this, the rule only fires when something actually becomes complete, not when other attributes change. Now define what should happen. Under Do This, choose Remove Task from the project. This is the key step that makes completed items disappear from your project view. Don't worry, this does not delete the task. It remains accessible via Search, My Tasks, Notifications, and any other projects it's been added to. If a task belongs to multiple projects, it will only be removed from this one. From here, Asana will handle it automatically. The next time you click Complete on a task in this project, it will vanish from the project list, keeping your workspace focused on what's still in progress. If you don't see the Customize or Rules options, you may need permission from a project owner to create or edit rules. A quick note for teams that rely on project-level reporting of completed work. Because you're removing tasks from the project, they won't appear in that project's completed list anymore. If you want to keep long-term visibility, consider multi-homing tasks to a separate archive project before completion, or use reporting that pulls from multiple sources. And that's it. You're signed in, your project is open, the rule is set, and your finished tasks now gracefully disappear, keeping your Asana clean and focused on what matters next.